Good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are keeping fine and doing well. Okay, as we have learned O sounding words, so today let us check how much we have understood. So, first of all, I'll show you some pictures and you have to tell the name of that particular picture. So, are you ready? Okay, let us start. Now come on, tell me, what is this? This is a log. This is a log. What is the spelling of log? L L dash G. Log. L O O. Which sound is coming? O sound is coming. Means sound of O. So log L O log G log. So what we will write here? We will write O. So L-O-G log. Now what is this? This is a purple dot. Purple dot. So what is written here? D dash T dot. D, which sound is coming? A. Da. No. E. D. No. I. No. Do. O. O sound is coming. So D O T dot. D O T dot. Now what is this? A cup of tea, which is hot or cold. This is hot. So which sound is coming? Ho. H O ho. T hot. H O T hot. Next is what? What is this? This is a box. This is a box. So bo. O. Which sound is coming? O. So B O X box. B O X box. Now next is what? What is this? This is a cot. This is a cot. So C dash T cot. O. Which sound is coming? O. So C O T. It means C O T cot. C O T cot. Okay, my dear students, well done. I think you have understood. So let us practice in our English copy also. Come on.